In this video, we're taking a trip not only back in time, but to another dimension at the Madcap Motel in downtown Los Angeles. Let's take a journey. How would I best describe elsewhere to my followers?
Oh, your followers. Oh,
Yes.
Are they all in that little box?
They're all in there. I call them wild cards.
Oh, hello, wild cards. I'm Ace.
Ace.
Ace. Call me Ace.
Okay, you're the first.
I'm the first of many, hopefully. We've got a real ace in the hole here at the Madcap. What did you want to know about it?
Well, I understand the owner disappeared for like 50 years and he started getting like odd postcards, something like that.
Yes. Plenty of odd postcards. Actually, believe there's a wormhole anomaly deep inside the motel. Yes, that we've been allowing guests to access for the first time in over 50 years. It's really quite incredible what they've got going on inside. I'm still waiting on my room right now, though, so I haven't seen it quite yet.
Okay, I do have to say, I'm digging the hat.
Oh, thank you!
I need one of those hats.
Thank you so much. They're very in style right now. I heard they're pretty in style in the future still, too.
Yes, quite so. So we're taking a trip not just to a dimension of sight and sound, or that's the other guy's stick, sorry.
Oh, no, yeah, we don't... Rod Serling, we don't say that name around here.
Oh.
Even I just said it, though, but that's the only time.
Right, gotcha. Okay, so it's not just a travel back in time, but into an alternate dimension.
Alternate dimension entirely, separate from time completely.
An alternate dimension you can actually send postcards from.
Absolutely.
That is new. I'm Eric, this is Wildcard Journeys. I hit the road to make videos about the paranormal, various urban legends, or whatever I might encounter out there on the road.
Maybe polar bears.
Like the Madcap Motel. And Ace.
And Ace.
So join us as we take a journey into another dimension, into the past, where you can get postcards too.
Ooh, we have a gift shop also.
And a gift shop. How many other alternate dimensions have a gift shop? Let's take a journey. Thank you.
Thank you.
Appreciate that.
Of course.
Welcome to the Madcap Motel. I'm J.P. Sando, owner of this fine establishment. Within the walls surrounding you now exists a reality of a different degree that has positive effects on the body and mind. I have studied what I call elsewhere for quite some time and have developed proper protocol and procedure to ensure your safety.
Isn't he so handsome?
Please review this safety briefing.
Please come in. I'm so glad you're here. Oh, this is wonderful. Just absolutely outstanding. As you can see, time moves differently in elsewhere. Rooms appear and then vanish out of nowhere. There's no telling what might happen in elsewhere or when might happen. Once you pass through this curtain and on through the wormhole, elsewhere is yours. Remember to look behind every numbered motel room door, and once it is time for you to return to reality, you must find room number 7.
Why, come on through. Why, elsewhere is waiting for you. Come
Is that one of them brand new Polaroids?
Oh yeah.
Look at that. Oh, that's just so incredible.
Looks like I'm looking into a fish eye.
Where do you load the film into that one?
You can see yourself there too.
Oh, what kind of magic have you ever made friends with the hedge before?
Not planning on it.
Oh, don't be afraid, don't worry. As long as you don't feed him, everything will be fine. See, the way to make friends with the hedge is you gotta compliment him. Have you ever complimented the hedge before?
No.
Oh, don't worry, you're gonna be a natural. Go ahead and get it.
I wouldn't hedge my bets against you.
Reggie also loves a good pun.
I also have to warn you that in room number 7, elsewhere is a little bit more tenuous than everywhere else in the motel. So while we encourage people to record things all throughout the whole motel, we cannot encourage it in that room, lest reality itself break down. My coat is made out of the fabric of reality, and I like it very much, so we can't have any.
Tell my viewers what is so unique about the Madcap Motel.
Oh, well, you know, the Madcap Motel is a great place to be. You know, especially during these hard times that we've had. It kind of takes you out of the elements and, you know, makes you enjoy life a little bit, adds some drama. And we have great people inside here. You're going to love everybody. And you just want to stay. You don't want to leave. Once you come inside, you don't want to go back to reality. You want to stay in elsewhere, right?
Absolutely.
He knows, right?
I just got back from elsewhere. I'm not sure if I could find my way back though.
Yeah, he wants to go back. Nobody wants to go to reality.
True. But is it haunted in there?
Is it what?
Haunted.
It's not actually. It's not scary. A lot of people think it's scary, but it's not scary at all. So all you kids should totally come inside.
Let's give it a shot. See you on the journey.
See you.
Thank you.